What's up, YouTube? Darren Dyke here with Beyond Slow Motion. It's a pleasure to see you all again. So, I have a little bit of an update video for you guys. Next week, I'm going to be dropping a few different videos. Early on in the week, I'm going to be dropping a little video on a board called the KingKong Skateboard. That's an electric board, 3,000 watt, and it's a carbon fiber board. The company just sent me this thing to kind of test out and see what I think about it. So I'm going to be playing around with it a little bit more over this weekend, trying to work out the kinks, trying to figure out what I do or don't like about the board, and I'm going to make kind of a fun cinematic montage style video about that. So look forward to that probably early in the week, next week. I also kind of wanted to talk with you guys about something a little bit more serious. So I'm sure a lot of you have noticed that if you've been with me for any notable period of time, I kind of just up and disappear from this channel for sometimes like noteworthy periods of time. Like, I'll be making videos, doing awesome stuff, we'll be putting out cool content for like a few weeks in a row, and then suddenly I just disappear off of the face of the earth. Like, I am just gone for whatever reason, right? Well, there's a lot to that, and I want to kind of unpack a lot of what has happened in my life over the last few years, some of what has kind of led me to where I am now, both creatively, professionally, personally, and I want to tell you guys about a new kind of approach that I'm taking, both towards here on YouTube, a lot of the content that I'm going to be making, but also kind of just towards life in general. There's going to be a lot that I want to unpack. It's going to be very interesting. If you've been following me for any notable period of time, this will explain so much about what has been going on with me and with Beyond Slow Motion, and it's going to be a video that's worth checking out. So that will be Friday, noon Pacific Standard Time next week. Definitely worth checking out. I'm going to be doing a live stream, I think the day after that. So it's going to be on Saturday, probably also around noon Pacific Standard Time, to kind of just break down everything that I had talked about and answer any questions that you guys might have about what's going on with this channel. It's going to be some exciting stuff. It's going to be some deep stuff as well, but it's worth tuning into if you have been following me for any notable period of time, or if you're interested in what's going on here in general. In any case, I'm so thankful for you guys sticking around and tuning in and enjoying my content. Like, I can't properly express how grateful I am to have you guys around. Thank you so much for just everything. I'm looking forward to sharing more information with you guys next week, so stay tuned. Until then, take care, and I'll see you soon.